Aiming for momentum, the episode reveals how young professionals harness small side projects to propel major career moves. By choosing projects that align with core goals, they gain visibility, sharpen in-demand skills, and attract mentors who notice their initiative. Real stories show engineers shipping a tiny open-source feature that lands them a promotion, or a marketer automating a workflow that saves teams weeks of time. Viewers are guided to pick one manageable project, set a clear metric, and document daily progress for accountability. Implementing this approach can create credible momentum without overwhelming current duties.